packaging for not very much food, but it's a really great snack. You can send it with kids who go off to school, you can bring it to work. This particular one is made by Seaweed Love, and it is made with coconut oil, roasted to perfection, and a touch of sea salt. So, really great. Next up, we've got a new vegan cookbook. There are so many new vegan cookbooks entering the marketplace. There are several every single month. And this vegan taco specific cookbook is a testament to how incredibly niche-y the vegan cookbook market is getting. And it's just really exciting. I mean, pretty much any genre of food that you want, you can find a vegan cookbook for it. So this one's called Vegan Tacos, Authentic and Inspired Recipes from Mexico's Favorite Street Food, and it is by Jason Wyrick. It's a really beautifully put together book. You can tell there was a lot of heart and soul that went into this. The photos are high quality and just make you drool over the pages, and it will really inspire you to get moving in the kitchen. So if you are a taco lover, this book will help you step up your game vegan style. So I highly recommend you check it out. I'll include a link below. Last but certainly not least, I want to show you 2 vegan subscription boxes I just got. What vegan boxes are subscription boxes where you usually pay between $10 or $20, sometimes up to $30 a month to get a box delivered to your doorstep that's packed with vegan goodies. It could be vegan snacks, vegan makeup products, a combination of vegan household products. There's all sorts of these boxes on the market. And today I'm going to show you 2 of them. This is Petite Vour. It is a vegan beauty subscription box, so it comes with, you know, full and sample size beauty products. And this one is called the Vegan Box, and it's just packed with monthly goodies that are food or household products or beauty items, just a mix of everything. And this one's actually from Australia. For all the Australians watching, I don't usually have very many products for you, but here's one of them. And these are great. You don't have to read labels.